Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start application hosting with DigitalOcean, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start application hosting with DigitalOcean, first, visit the DigitalOcean website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information and proceed to verify your email address. Once your account is set up, log into the DigitalOcean control panel. Next, navigate to the Create menu located at the top right corner. Select Droplets from the drop-down options. You'll see various operating system images to choose from. For beginners, it's advisable to select the latest version of Ubuntu. Choose the size of your droplet based on your application requirements. DigitalOcean provides a pricing calculator to help you estimate costs. Decide the data center region for your droplet. Pick a location closer to your target user base for better performance. Under the Authentication section, choose either SSH keys or a password for security. If you don't have an SSH key, it's recommended to create one for secure access. You can also add backups and monitoring options for additional security and performance insights. Before finalizing, review your choices for the droplet. Click on the Create Droplet button to launch it. After a few moments, your droplet will be ready. You will receive an email with the droplet's IP address and login credentials. Use an SSH client to connect to your droplet using the provided IP address. Log in using the credentials you set up earlier. Once connected, update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Install any necessary software packages your application may need. Consider setting up a web server such as Nginx or Apache. You can install Nginx by running sudo apt install Nginx. Start the web server using the command sudo system+start Nginx. You can check its status with sudo system+status Nginx. Configure your web server to serve your application files. Upload your application files to the appropriate directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.